Hey Jason, hi. I think in driver app you are testing limit can drop off value. But in your testing we were found that your testing was wrong. Uh, in this video you are testing for can picked out and we were modified for can drop out. Just take a look uh, where from opportunity one new job is created from this all in remote 2 and then create a job where new job is created with job type is delivery and job services is a can. Then we were added two products in that and created a new job. Okay, here on this new job there is a one job activity created. We we have to schedule that job activity. So from this job schedule page we will schedule that job activity. We'll just schedule this job activity from job activity page. This has a job 3815 and my job activity is 9680. 9680. Okay, we'll schedule this with Kelvin Brown. Okay, now we will log in as a Kelvin Brown. Here we already logged in as a Kelvin Brown. Now we will go to driver app. From that we will choose that job activity and then now job feedback page. So here can drop up is populated. Now we'll just 3 1 4. Okay, now in this way you have to test this functionality. Thank you.